Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So I got 5K, 10 ramps, the headway lithium batteries.
We're going here. Yeah. So you said you had headway lithium?
Yeah, headway lithium.
Okay.
And then I got a single Hutchinson 15.
Yep.
And then I got some Scar coaxes up front, and then Crescendo PWXs in the back for the doors.
Wow. What does it tune to real quick?
I think at like 39.
Go to my
My doors, they kind of cut
myself and my ways
for the house on the do where they come, I don't know. Everyone on the globe for the house on the do where they come, not the house anymore, but for the house on the
anomaly. I don't relate to.
Yeah, I'll try to get a better song. Maybe
Is it louder with the trunk open or closed?
Open.
Open? Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm surprised with it not being sealed off.
Yeah.
It's a night and day difference.
I'm not worried about music. I'm a bass person.
Yeah.
As long as you got bass, I love it.
Yeah, I don't know why. Once I get it turned up to a certain level, my doors just cut in and out, and it's like specific to song. It's, I don't know. It's so weird.
big lab in the back and the crash won't pass through the streets like an early morning fall. Mama's in the slaughter house with the hatchet, with daddy chop early morning haul. I'm catching Z's like an early morning song when I was off the racket, yawning pause. The fuck, man, I can never get sleep, man. Peek out the window, what's wrong with y'all? My people. can't go to my house. Myself and to my ways for the house all night. Do what he do, I don't know. Everywhere I go for the house all night. Do what he do, I don't know. House all night, but for the house all night. The property, I'm overpaid entirely. I'm holding a monopoly. I'm closed away. I'm proud of seeing my throwaways are coveting. I'm known to make them calling me the golden age of prophecy, but don't parade my modesty. It's overrated, honestly. They know my name, but not the meaning. Tokens, a anomaly. I don't relate to. Catching Z's like an early morning saw when I woke up to the racket, yawning balls. The fuck, man, I can never get sleep, man. Look out the window, what's wrong with y'all? People saying, my
Awesome. Thank you for the demo. What's
Hey,
your name?
thank you. Michael Kelso.
Michael. All right, Michael. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.